Hi, how are you? Everybody will be fine. In this worksheet, we will in today's video we will learn that how to add new worksheet through macro and where to the left, to the right of the main sheet. So first of all, we will go to the developer tab and press Visual Basic. Here I have assigned the task wise so that it can be easily conveyed to you people. Task 1, add new sheet. By default sheet, after multiple worksheets we can add multiple worksheets and rename this sheet newly created worksheets. So first of all we come here and let's see what happens. Sheets dot add, press F8 key, and what happened that sheet 2 has been created to the left of the sheet 1. Now we will break the code and delete this sheet so that we can check that what will happen. Now we type before and sheet 1 because we have by default one sheet in our workbook. Again press F8 key, and now sheet 3 has been generated towards left. So it means but that by default and before are the same. If we want our newly created worksheet to be added to the left of the main sheet, we simply go ahead, sheet started. We don't need to add before. What will happen when we change it with after? Again press F8 key, and now we see that sheet 4 has been appeared to the right of the sheet. Actually I will prefer this way because normally what happened that our main data has been converted to the sheet 1 and we have to perform different analysis tasks at sheet 1 and then shift it to the newly created worksheet. That's why I go for this approach. So let me add a colon and delete the sheet. Now in this loop we are completing our task 3. We will create multiple sheets and at the same time code will ask us to specify the newly created worksheet name. What happened? First of all we will declare string as a str as string because we know that sheet name has always been a text and it has to be stored in the string variable. Press F8 key, loop will start, string input box will be at that kindly enter sheet name, which I will let it be ABCD. Okay, press F8. Let's see, ABCD has been added here. Again we will ask ABCD EFGH F8 IJK XY Z, and it will finish. Now we have seen that we have created newly worksheet and all has been to the left, but problem is that when we want to create automatically sheets and want user to specify the name, then the sheets will be created to the left of the sheet 1. It can't be go to the right side. If we want to specify it after, then what will add that is sheets.add.name will add another sheet and it will add another sheet, so it will be created 2 sheets. So that's a ambiguity here. Hopefully you will get it and I will help you a lot. For any questions you have, kindly comments me, and if you like the video kindly hit a like button. Okay, thank you, bye bye, have a nice day.